Hey guys, do you want to create your own apps without knowing coding? Yes, that is possible with Jeppable. You can create apps for you or for your clients, and you can make some extra money if you are running already a local agency or you are doing marketing for local agencies. They are going to pay you for creating apps for them, uploading them. So Jeppable can help you without hiring an professional app developer or without knowing about coding. You can create your own apps with Jeppable. Now let's see. Here is the dashboard of Zappable. Just in a minute we are going brief on that. And now I have written an article about Zappable. You can see all the detail on the link below description. But before I get into the review, I'm going to show you some bonuses which are you are going to get if you buy Zappable through my link. Here are the bonuses like Thrive Architect. These are the bonuses from our side. If you buy through our link, uh, you can email us your receipt and we are going to give you all the bonuses within 24 hours. The email ID is given below or given here. You can find out on the description below. So how really Jeppable work is it is a drag and drop mobile application builder. Yes, you can like just drag and drop and create your own apps. So here, this is the dashboard of Zappable. You can see support here. They have a great support team. Also, all the trainings are available on the app building builder training. Here, all the trainings are available here. If you buy this app, go through these training. I recommend that. Then you can find out that how it works, how you can like really get some amazing apps or amazing value from this particular software. Now I'm going to show you how to create apps from this. Just log into builder login, then go to login to app dashboard here. Now there are some previous app created here. Now we are going to create a new app for ourselves. So let's jump into that. For example, I will say demo application for or demo cafe. For example, I want to create an application for my cafe or my client's cafe. So I've just named that to my application. Now here you can select pre-made templates. Means the templates are made previously, which are already available on the software. And now here I can take any of the like a application or any of the template which I want or which I think can be my can do the job for me. Let's select this one, Coffee Light, and here our template has been imported to our application. Now here you can see a basic application we have here. Now if I want to add some features, yes, we have a template like if you want to add some more features like login, membership, and all that stuff, how that is going to be done. First, you can like design your home page here. You can also change the home page, the image of your home page, the branding, the logos, all that can be done from here. Now if you want to change layout, for example, this is the current layout. If you want to change it, what you have to do, like change your layout, then here you have multiple layouts which you can use for your application. You can see all layouts here. See, you can like see all the layouts. Like if I want a layout like this, a swipeable layout, it is like looking cool here, right? See, now we have a layout like this. Now if I want to change the colors of logo and all the stuff, the icons, I can go in the color section and I can do whatever I want. Bullet points to everything can be customized. I think this is a great software for people who don't know about coding and want to build their own apps. So if I can do all the color stuff here, then there is a section of features. If I want to add some new features, yes, you might think how I'm going to add a login feature or a integration or a form or something like that. Just sit back. I'm going to demonstrate you everything. So here I can go to membership or yes, contact. Here I can integrate a form. Also my account. For example, I want to add my account to features. Here I have it. I can log in with Facebook, log self registration, then what you want, what data you want from him, and save. Now I have successfully created an login feature, which I can see available in the menu. Let's see. Okay, I have to update the app preview. Here I have to update and preview. I have a login feature. I can create a new account. The user can create a new account and all the stuff can be done. There is more into it. Now, if I want to integrate some social like appointment, or I want to integrate a e-commerce store like Shopify or WordPress or WooCommerce or anything. Now, for example, you want to add your own custom page. For example, if you want to create a new page on your application, uh, so what you have to do, you have to come to the customization section. Here you have to add a custom page. Now you have to give a name to this page, like for example, our offer, like something like that. Now here you have to add the features you want to have, yeah, like the information on that page you want to uh, publish. Like for example, if you want to add some images, you can go here and add some images. For example, I want to add this image. Now I want to add address, or just not add the address. It is, for example, I want to add a button like a label of call, phone number. Here you can find all the stuff and you have to save it. Now you have to come here and update. Here you have your image on the our offer page. You have your image and call button. I can customize this image more and do all the stuff, but I'm quickly demonstrating you all the stuff. And you can also find these things on the training which has been given by Zappable team. Then here you have to, if you want to publish your application, here is the, if I want to like see how my application will, how my application is going to show, I've just created an APK. I can download now the APK version of that, also the iOS version of that. So these things can be done from here. So this was a quick overview of Zappable. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yes, or if you want to pick up Zappable, you can pick up from here, from these links, or the link given in the description below. So thank you guys for today's video. See you in the next video.